Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. It has been 2 years now since I stopped using conventional shampoo and started using chickpea flour, so I just wanted to do an update and share a few new little things that some of you have been advising me. Starting with collecting rainwater. I'd never heard of that one before, and it actually makes your hair really nice and soft. So every so often, whenever I remember, I will collect it through a cloth and leave it in the fridge until I need it. I still wash my hair once a week, and what I use is different herbs every time. One of you suggested using fenugreek leaves. So I will use it the same way I would if I was making tea. I use a couple of teaspoons. So I'm not too sure if it really matters how much or how little you use. But fenugreek has great qualities, and one of the biggest ones is that it makes your hair lovely and shiny, and I have definitely noticed that with the fenugreek. And while that is cooling, I will make the flour paste. Now, I have been using chickpea flour, but some of you suggested using green gram flour. So I thought I would try it out. Got some green gram, blended it up into a powder, and use it the exact same way as I would the chickpea flour. So about 2 tablespoons, and I've loads of videos down below if you need a little bit more detail in how I do the chickpea flour. And depending, if you've short hair, you use a little bit less. If you've longer hair, you use a little bit more. And someone else suggested that you use actually boiling water and you make it into a paste, and this actually works much better. So the thing with making this a nice floury paste is if you leave it for too long, it will go hard. So it's not something you can kind of prepare the night before. You have to really do it straight away and then go into the shower. So you can go with a little bit more of the water, and then you'll see all the, the flour is going to swell out. And you wanted a really nice paste consistency. Not too thick and not too thin. And the smell for this, just completely neutral. So for this week's shower, it's going to be green gram flour for the wash, fenugreek tea for the rinse, and then an extra little special treat, rainwater. So I can confidently say that over the 2 years, my hair has only improved. What I noticed with the green gram flour, not much difference between that and the chickpea flour. It's clean, it smells clean. Definitely more shiny when I use the fenugreek leaves. It's growing really strong. I find the condition really good quality. So I'm a big fan. So I'd love to know how you're getting on if you're using the flour. I know a lot of you are using it and having great results. And I just wanted to do a quick 2-year review. Still going strong. Haven't bought a bottle of shampoo yet in the 2 years. So chat to you in the comments as always, or over on Instagram. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.